Nice. Yeah, boys. Good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. We got pump. It's 9:15. We got a late pour today. We got raft slab, and there's music going on over there, so I'm talking real loud and real fast. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another episode. Well, that bit of advertising for Tim Egan Concreting. Hope you enjoyed the last video of the Red Bull mixed with concrete. If you haven't seen it, go and watch it. I won't tell you what actually happens. You won't believe what happens. I was wrong. Everyone else was wrong on Facebook. It's totally different to what we thought was going to happen. But leave a comment on that video, and I'm going to try and make another one with Coca-Cola very soon. But today we're doing a rare raft slab, about 250 squares. And yeah, let's go get into it. Enjoy. All right, we're here. We're on the site. We got Kay, Big K. We got Nathan, Kyle, a few of the other boys over here ready to go. Look at the job. Got a raft slab. Looks pretty good. One little step down over there. Oh, awesome. Good times. Let's go. Get that pump going. We have some concrete. Let's go, let's go. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's a Tuesday for me. I didn't work yesterday, Monday, so I made that video with the Red Bull and the concrete. And like I said, you should go and check it out because you'll be amazed what actually happened. I bet you you're wrong. You think the Red Bull is gonna make it not go off. Go and check it out and see what actually happens. I can't believe it. Anyway, so yeah, I'll show you as much as I can today of what we're gonna do to the slab. It is pretty hot and it is a late pour, so we'll see what we can get. Let's go. 9:45 and we got an next truck. We're just doing the footings. All right, we're away. This one's got brick footing, so only one boxing. Just goes underneath there. As you can see. Beautiful. Hey? Alright, we're just filling the beams up now. Then we'll start filling the top up. I reckon. How you going, mate? Pretty good. Spider Master build. One of Jeffrey's slabs, but now it's Kyle's slab. Nice work. Alright, let's go. Alright, today's video is going to be about pouring second up for the day. And so most of the people, when we pour concrete, you're first up and you get concrete at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. But then there's always a crew that's second up in the day. And they're going to pour the slab after everyone's finished. And today we had to wait. We're supposed to start at 8 o'clock, but it ended up being at 9:15 that we ended up started pouring concrete. So yeah, we'll show you what it's like to be second up in the day. All the boys are spewing, they want to go home already. They've been in the hot sun for a long time already. But yeah, we're going to get it done. We're going to make it all happen. But that's what happens when you're second up for the day. So if you're going to pour concrete and you're second up for the day, this is what you got to expect. Let's go. We're in there. Got the radio going over there, so I don't want to go close to it because it'll bloody monetize me. But we got concrete again. Let's go. It's nearly 11 o'clock. And we're not even halfway in yet. So we'll definitely be taking it to 12 o'clock. Like I said, 12 o'clock pours, it's a lot harder. I'm screwing most of it. Kyle's helping me a little bit. Trying to keep up a little more. This truck should get us pretty far. This will go way past halfway now, so let's wait. Come on, baby. Right. It's 5 to 12. 5 to 12 and we got the slab in, so that's pretty good. Probably time we start. 9, 9:15, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12, so 2.5 hours. That's alright, that's pretty good. We've just got the patio to do now, in this little patio here. And we're all good. So, like, yeah, nearly 12 o'clock and we got the slab in for the day. Makes it a lot harder. Like I said, it makes it a lot harder, but someone has to do it. Someone has to be second up, and sometimes you might be the one second up. Don't be scared. As long as the weather's not too crazy, you'll be all right. If it's going to rain, if it's an overcast day, it sucks because you might be here till real late at night. But a day like this, I reckon we'll be out of here by 3 o'clock still. You watch. Another 3 hours from now. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. All right, it's 10 to 1. And we've got it all in. Kyle's just gave it a hit with a helicopter. Oh, good. It's still nice and wet. Kyle put some retarder in it, didn't you, Kyle? You said?
Yep.
So that's why it's holding off for us for a little bit, which is good. Because it went off too quick. We've been running our feet off and we're already hot already. Kay's got the last bit over there. About time you squared something, Kay. Bloody hell, mate. I look after you, don't I? Look after both of them. That's good. But anyway, that's the slab. Like I said, it's 1 o'clock and it's just in. Second up for the day. That's what happens. You might put it in a bit later and you finish a bit later, but you get to sleep in a fair bit, so which is good. I think Levi's going to do the rebait. All good. We got 1:30. Boys are stripping. Richie's stripping away. I'm doing the edges around the house. Kay's doing a rebait. Carl's finishing showers off in there. Good times. Probably about maybe 3:30 we'll probably be finished. The slab anyway. Usually I finish at 12 or 1 o'clock. Usually we're finished by now. That's what it's like on second up for the day. Nathan's finished for the day. Boys are pulling the pegs out of the concrete, like actually in the concrete. They're in the footing, so they have to get all them pegs out first. Well, it's 2:30 and we got this slab stripped, most of it. Just got this front part to go, and a little bit at the back. Boys got everything else packed away. So it's not that bad so far. Probably still got another, at least another hour, I reckon. We could be good. Job's going good here. Levi's just doing this little front patio. I just did on the edges and this rebate down here. Fix that back patio up there. Been all action on. So like starting the second pour ain't that bad. You definitely got the heat of the day. Like I said, Kyle put some retarder in it, so it slowed it down a little bit. If we didn't, we probably would be finished already. But we probably would have needed 2 choppers out. It's a nice new Master Finish chopper that Kyle brought a couple of weeks ago. I got a nice new one at home. Just gotta wait for the right job that I can use it on. Not giving it to someone else to use on the first time. After that, my nice brand new chopper. It's a red one, fiery red. I'll show you later on, maybe when we get home. At the end of this video, I'll show you my new chopper. Sitting in my garage. Carl's finishing to the left. More weight on the blade when you go to the left. Just pushing the blade into it, smashing it down. Beautiful. Alright. I'll pack up and get the fuck out of here, I reckon. Alright, it's 3 o'clock and we're done. Shout out to James and Rick, the best labourers ever, I reckon. Taking the fucking title. They've been doing it for 6 months, these boys. Look at them. They're fucking good. I'll give it to them. They are good. Kay's got this thick trout off. Beautiful. I'm going home, boys. I'll leave you to it now. Yeah. Thanks, mate. Good stuff.
for your hospitality, brother.
That's all right. Thanks for yours.
See you later.
For working hard. And make me not work too hard.
That's our job.
That's it. We all work together, hey?
Right. Sunburn.
Poor Kyle's over here. He's burnt to the fuck house. So the boss gets stressed out when you have to pour second up pour. He's been here since 6 o'clock this morning, haven't you, Kyle? Waiting, because he was supposed to be pouring at fucking 7:30, 8 o'clock.
Waiting.
And it never happened. But oh well. We got it done now, Kyle. All good. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Beautiful. All right, guys, that's it for me today. I'm out of here. Like I said, it's 3 o'clock. We didn't start pouring till 9:15. That's what it's like being second up for the day. You know, want to know what second up is? That's what it is. When you're the second person to pour, they do a house slab first in the morning, and then we do a house slab after. I get stuck with them sometimes, but I haven't been on one for a while, so I thought I'd show you what happens, and you got to see what happens. About the same, really. There's only like 2 hours extra that we had to work for, so not that bad. Hope you've enjoyed, and if you haven't seen that video of the Mountain Dew, I mean not the Mountain Dew, the fucking Red Bull and concrete, go and check it out, because it will blow your mind of what actually happened. And stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, give us some thumbs up, guys, come on. We get like 130 thumbs up. I have to ask every time. Come on, at least get 300 thumbs up. Even on the other video, give me more thumbs up on that one if you want. Whatever. Okay, see you on. Have fun. Bye-bye. All right, guys, it's the day after. I'm at home after the job. Let's see if this concrete will break now. Oh, look at that, broken. She's a bit brittle now. Alright, this one. Now that one's harder. Ah. Should have put the timer. Wow. So it did break. So it was brittle afterwards. This one's way stronger. So at the end of the day, this one was weaker. Might have went off quicker, but it was weaker. Shit.
Look at this. Across the trail. Oh man.